Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday, the Monday after the time change. Has your body adjusted? Mine hasn't, but this is not so bad. All right, last night I prepared super simple, not your typical lasagna. Basically, I had leftover spaghetti sauce, red sauce from just a few days ago, and I decided to use it to build up a lasagna. So I used ravioli, fresh, fresh as in the refrigerator section versus the freezer section of my grocery store. Layer. It's really pretty when it comes out of the oven, but when you plate it, it goes bleh. So yeah, but it was really good, really good. Robin's coming over this morning to pick up some leftovers to take to work for lunch. Yeah, well, she's always loved my red sauce. So yeah, tonight I'm preparing Mexican street corn white chicken chili. Wow, that's a mouthful. Ooh. All right, again, Mexican street corn white chicken chili. Let's get to it. Good old Dutch oven. Chili, Dutch oven. They go together. All right, we got chicken. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We'll use a little bit of oil because we got to saute up some onion and garlic. Of course, there's going to be some kosher salt and black pepper. White beans. Got to have white beans for white bean chili. And a can of diced green chilies. Some chicken stock. Got to have corn for street corn. Part of the sauce, so forth, is lime juice, cumin, ground pasilla, chili powder, oregano, and some smoked paprika. There's some cheese involved. You can use various types of cheeses. This is what I have on hand, the spicy Mexican blend. Some cilantro, which I've already pre-chopped. There's also some heavy cream, some sour cream, and to top it off, you can use some some corn strips, or some type of or corn chips themselves. I'm using probably some pickled sliced jalapeno and cojita crumbled cheese for the top. So these are the goodies for today's dinner. I still need a haircut. Hence the hat. Yeah. So on this Monday, I hope you have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.